ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। Hare Krishna. So today we are going to read from Srimad Bhagavad Mahapurana, Canto 10, Chapter 9, Text 7 and 8. So both verse will recite. Text 7. उतार्य गोपी सुश्रुतं पयः पुनः प्रविश्य सन्दृश्य च दध्यमत्रकं भग्नं विलोक्य स्वसुतस्य कर्मत जहासतं चापि न तत्र पश्यति. Translation. Mother Jasoda, after taking down the hot milk from the oven, returned to the churning spot, and when she saw that the container of yogurt was broken and that Krishna was not present, she concluded that the breaking of the pot was the work of Krishna only. Purport. Seeing the pot broken and Krishna not present, Jasoda definitely concluded that the breaking of the pot was the work of Krishna. There was no doubt about it. Text 8. उलूखलाङ्घ्रिरुपरि व्यवस्थितं मर्काय कामं ददतं शिचिस्थितं हेयङ्गवं चौर्यविशङ्किते क्षणं निरख्य पश्चात् सुतमागतमच्छने. What is there? Word meaning. Ulukhala-angre, of the mortar in which spices were ground and which was being kept upside down. Upari, on the top. Vyavasthitam, Krishna was sitting. Markaya, unto monkeys. Kamam, according to his satisfaction. Dadatam, delivering shares. Sichisthitam, situated in the butter pot hanging on the swing. Heyangavam, butter and other milk preparations. Chaurya Vishankita, because of stealing, were anxiously looking hither and thither. Ikshanam, whose eyes, Nirakhya, by seeing these activities, Paschat, from behind, Sutam, her son, Agamat, she reached, Sane, very slowly, cautiously. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Translation. Krishna at that time was sitting on a upside down wooden mortar for grinding spices and was distributing milk preparations such as yogurt and butter to the monkeys as he liked. Because of having stolen, he was looking all around with great anxiety, suspecting that he might be chastised by his mother. Mother Jasoda, upon seeing him, very cautiously approached him from behind. Purport. Mother Jasoda was able to trace Krishna by following his butter-smeared footprints. She saw that Krishna was stealing butter, and thus she smiled. Meanwhile, the crows also entered the room and came out in fear. Thus Mother Yasoda found Krishna stealing butter and very anxiously looking here and there. Om Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnanam Janasalakaya Chakhirunmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayham Dadati Swapadantikam Vande Aham Sri Guru Sri Jutapadakammalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavansya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahaganam Raghunatham Nitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savbhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhantamsa. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Ram. So we are discussing this 10th canto, one after another, such a enchanting pastime. Just the previous chapter, chapter 8, we heard about the beautiful pastime of Mridubhakhana Lila. Mridubhakhana Lila of Balakrishna. And in this chapter 9, another most enchanting pastime, that is Damabandhana Lila. Sukadeva Goswami is going to describe this Damabandhana Lila. And the Damabandhana Lila, we know that is, this pastime happened in the month of Kartik, in Deepavali. So, and Deepavali in Braj is famous. They were to do Indra Puja. So all the Dasa Dasi, Nanda Baba and all Rohini, Balaram, everybody they were in the busy in Indra Puja, Indra Jagya. Nobody was there in house. Jasoda heard a lot of complaints against baby Krishna, that he is stealing butter, doing naughty things, this and there. Many gopis they complained, but Jasoda was not caring. No. He was not accepting any files, any complaints against Krishna. So, but she was thinking, why they are always complaining? Really Krishna is going to take butter? If Krishna want butter, in my house truckload of butters are there. Truckload. 100,000, 900,000 cows are there. So why he will go to others' house? So then she thought, maybe quantity is here, but quality may not be there. So Krishna is quality oriented, I think. Because in my house, Jasoda is thinking, she is queen. My house, many servants are there, maid servants, they are churning the butter. And the other gopis' house, they personally doing, they are homemade. So homemade quality is little better than the market one. So that's why Jasoda decided, okay, so I will personally churn butter for my baby Krishna, and I will make so beautifully, perfect, so high quality that Krishna will forget to go anywhere, just eat this butter. So high quality. That's why Jasoda, because Krishna is not coming for Mangala Arati, baby Krishna. She is sleeping, waking up late. So Krishna is sleeping, Jasoda wake up early in morning, like 4 o'clock or so, and she alone in the house, nobody is there, no maid servants, nothing. She is busy in churning butter. But Krishna, she is about to finish churning. Krishna wake up and somehow or other went down from the palank, from the cart, and went directly to the Jasoda and requesting Mother Jasoda to allow him to drink the breast milk. And Jasoda allowed him. Jasoda sat down, take Krishna, baby Krishna in her lap, because she was doing, almost turning is over. now is taking out the butter. So okay, you do your job, I am doing my job. So Krishna was doing his job. Krishna himself took his position inside the lap of Mother Jasoda, and sometimes Krishna was carrying the panat, the side of the saris, and covering his face, sometimes bringing out and looking at the face of Jasoda. And Jasoda, while taking out the butter from the buttermilk, sometimes she was feeling so happy by keeping the son, baby Krishna. And same time I want to tell you, don't think that baby Krishna is just like ordinary child, like a human child. Like who is he? He is totally spiritual, not a spot of material is there. Completely spiritual bliss. If fully spiritual bliss condensed, if you condense spiritual bliss, supreme spiritual bliss, if you condensed form, that is Krishna. Paramananda, Aprakruta Ananda Ghanibhuta. Total condensed spiritual bliss is Krishna. And if we are getting a little material bliss, we are becoming so captivated. And just imagine what kind of enchanting bliss Jasoda, Mother Jasoda was getting by keeping Krishna in her lap and allowing him to drink the breast milk. And same time Krishna also, though he was all-powerful, he is all-powerful Supreme Lord, but when he is doing his lila with Mother Jasoda and he want to perform exactly the Sishu Saisava lila, and he was also enjoying sucking the breast milk of Jasoda, and Krishna was fully bliss. Both are in totally bliss mode. And at that time what happened? Sometimes Jasoda was looking at the beautiful smiling face of her son Krishna. Krishna is looking, so this thing was enjoying, blissful mood is going on. Jasoda saw that little far away in the other room, and that she kept some milk for boiling. That next day she used to make butter from that. Krishna used to drink that, and the milk is overboiled and coming out of the pan. So she thought, first I have to protect that, save that milk, otherwise what Krishna will drink tomorrow. So she immediately pulled Krishna out of her lap and put him down and went to save that milk. So now this question arises, how come Jasoda did like this? Mother Jasoda, she had only one son, Krishna, and Krishna is not like a son, like ordinary child. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and full of, I told you, condensed bliss. Caring the child, and even required to neglect the child's crying, even they will neglect. And another thing, that those who are premi bhakta, those who are devotees in the totally mood of love of Godhead, they will give much more importance to the service than to the bliss getting out of love of Godhead. They are not angering to become blissful, become so happy. Better they will give more importance to do the service. The service is much more important than getting happiness out of it. So that's why Jasoda was fully enchanting mood, happy mood. But when she saw that the milk is overflowing, so that is a service for Krishna only. So she neglected Krishna. Though Krishna was not satisfied, Krishna was still sucking the breast milk. He was just started, but Jasoda forcibly pulled Krishna out of her breast and put him down and went to save the milk. This is the nature of the supremely affectionate mother. They can even neglect the child Child was crying. Krishna was totally unsatisfied. And Jasoda went there. So just try to imagine the mind of Jasoda. Don't think that Jasoda feeling something happy by putting Krishna down. No. If in material world we see, we sometimes are meeting our near and dear friends, and when a time comes we are getting away from their near and dear ones, separation, we are feeling so unhappy, so much unhappy. Oh, we are going away now, feeling so. They are material, we know that all temporary, but still we are feeling so unhappy. And just think of Jasoda when she is going away from Krishna. Krishna is not material, is 100% spiritual, full of bliss only. When Jasoda in her hand, keeping Krishna away from him, she must be feeling supremely sad, very much sad. But she wants to tolerate that sadness to serve Krishna in this way. She tolerated that and went quickly. She doesn't want to go away from Krishna, but quickly, because there is service needed, emergency. So she ran quickly to save that milk. And in that moment, Krishna, because he was dissatisfied, he became angry. Why became angry? Because Sukadeva Goswami is telling that Krishna was stanya kami. Jasoda's breast milk was the kama for Krishna. He was enjoying. He was drinking, sucking the breast milk of Jasoda. And when we are enjoying something and some interruption comes, obstacle comes, then it is the principle, that is the cause of angry. Kamat krodha abhijayate. Krodha comes out from kama. When kama got disturbed, then krodha start. So similarly, Krishna was enjoying this breast milk of Mother Jasoda, and now interruption comes. Jasoda put him down and he went for some other work. What work? Krishna saw that I am the only son, and she is not valuing me more. She is valuing the 5 liter milk more than me. Now maybe 50 liters, 50 rupees per liter now. At that time maybe 5 paisa. So cheap at that time. And one pot full of milk, and she never considered me is more value than that pot of milk. She went to save that and neglected me. I am completely dissatisfied. And so because kamat krodha abhijayate, it is natural. Sometimes now, 3 days before Nirjala Ekadashi, many of us have observed, when you keep complete fast for 24 hours, after that very nice foodstuffs are there in front of you, and you are just breaking the fast, starting eating something, somebody snatch the plate from you. How you will feel? Your mood will certainly go up. Say Sinitai Gaur Sundar ki, Krishna Varam. So it is very natural for Krishna. He was just started sucking the breast milk of Jasoda and he was enjoying, and Jasoda pulled him down, and immediately he became angry. Kamat krodha abhijayat. He became so angry like this, red, heart became red, and young boy, and became really angry. The young boy, baby son, baby Krishna. Then in angry mood, you want to take some action. So he was looking here and there. What action he can do? He was really angry. So then he thought, why mother is neglecting me? Because of this yogurt pot only. From early morning, she left me in the bed and he is taking care of this pot. This pot is now Krishna blame this pot. Because of you, mother is neglecting me. You are the culprit. So I want to take action against you. So Krishna went to pull that pot down. but full of yogurt, but very strong part. He could not do anything. Krishna, he was not so powerful. Though he was all powerful, and he could not do anything to the water pot. Then he said, no. So I have to do something. So he was looking around. He saw that lodha, that mortar grinding stone, little bit. So he took that, like he was lifting, like weight lifting. With two-handed, with full force and power, he was lifting, and he tried, and then she was trying to break from the top. Then if top, then the sound will come. So then Jasodama may know that. So he broke from downside, no sound. And when he broke the yogurt pot, after breaking, so this is the principle. When you become angry, when your calm is unfulfilled, some trouble, then you become krodha, angry. And then krodha, you take some action in your anger, then immediately that anger will convert into fear. So when he broke that yogurt pot, now he is become fearful. Oh, now what will happen? Now mother, only some days before I took little clay and Jasoda was about to beat me, somehow or other I got saved by showing Vishwarupa. Now which Rupa I will show? I have already shown my Vishwarupa to save me once before. Now yogurt pot broken, all the yogurt's curd is coming out. What to do? She became really fearful. He became really fearful, and he want to now go away, save himself out of fear. And he was going away. That before mother comes, he want to hide somewhere. So very cautiously, carefully, he has kankan in her ankle, so that no sound should come. Very carefully, slowly walking to the other room. Which room? That room where in Nanda Maharaj was king. Many rooms were he had. So one room where so many yogurts, they store room, yogurt store room. All yogurt, butter, they store room. Because ants are there, so they have to keep in hanging. Nowadays, we don't know, nowadays fridges are there. At that time, there was no fridge or something like that. So they have to keep hanging, showing them some sika. So all these, so many yogurt pots, milk, butter, many things are hanged in that room, store room. So Krishna, that was near only, so Krishna went to that room. Somehow or other he went to that room, and Jasoda in the meantime, she was feeling very bad and dissatisfied, because she knows that Krishna was totally dissatisfied. She is not fully happy. So, but she has to save the milk. So she went quickly, ran to save the milk, take the milk pot from the oven and keep it down. And even that time also, Jasoda, when she was going from Krishna, she will run only through his body. Jasoda's body only went to save the milk. Her mana and prana left with Krishna only. He left his mind and life there with Krishna only. And when he was busy in taking care of the milk, at that time also she was speaking, "Oh my dear Neelamani, don't worry, I am coming, just don't worry." And we were telling like that, and quickly coming back to the spot, the churning spot, to take care of her son. And what she saw, she got really shocked, abashed. Her milk pot is broken, the yogurt pot is broken, and all the yogurts, and they are in the flooded over all over the courtyard, on the floor, everywhere. And Jasoda started laughing, because now he was getting complaints from other gopis. Now Krishna first time started nuttiness in her house, in her presence, because nobody was there in the house, only Jasoda and Krishna. None else were there. And Jasoda, it is very easy to decide who did the fact. Jasoda come to the conclusion that none else than my naughty Krishna has broken this yogurt pot. Where is he? So now he want to search the baby Krishna. She was laughing because by seeing the baby son's cleverness, smartness, intelligence, how Krishna is so intelligent, became unhappy and took action, and from the down she broke the pot and very slowly went away, that even I could not hear the uncle sound, sound. And then she was looking where Krishna is, and she saw that Krishna was taking very careful that Jasoda mother could not find him, but somehow or other he forgot that his whole footprint, his foots were smeared with yogurt all around the floor. And he was going, the stamps were there, imprinted, footprint was there. Jasoda saw the footprint itself, because spiritual, everything is spiritual. The footprints telling Mother Jasoda, Mother, we are here to help you. Here is your baby son, come, follow us. Follow us here, we will take you where he is. So Jasoda just started following the footprints. Krishna's footprints were all marked with all the special marks. So Jasoda immediately, that is my son's footprint, and started following the footprints. And when Jasoda saw that the footprints are going to the storehouse, then she thought, oh my God, definitely, oh Sarvanas, because they are all my yogurts and all preparations I have kept for Atithi Seva, for Brahmana Seva, for Indra Jagya, for Deva Puja. And that naughty boy, he was eating yogurt with the contaminated hand. He may touch everything. Then everything will be contaminated. Oh, now next day is Indra Jagya, many guests will come, what I will do? She was totally in a tense. So she was running, maybe he contaminated everything, or before that I can save something. So he was going and opened the door, and she saw. What she saw in this verse it is explained. What she saw? Sukdev Goswami saying, Ulukhalangghir upari vyavasthitam. She opened the door and she saw Udukhala. Ulukhala, nowadays we and us, we are not using that. Sometimes in maybe kitchen they are using Hemadasta. That's a kind of iron, something you want to make powder, any spice, anything make from powder. Hand you have to. You understand that part? Hemadasta. Sometimes this Udukhala they say also. That is Udukhala. Now we are using iron one. At that time it's a wooden one, and something there they have to. Anything you want to make powder, grinding, so that by hand they used to do. That is called Udukhala. Like a bucket kind of thing, and another thing. So Krishna, he went to that storeroom, and he thought, I am saved now. He was fearful. He thought, I am saved now. Oh, Jasoda Mata could not find me now here. So he opened the outside door, and he saw that many storerooms, many yogurt pots are there, stocks are there. He became very happy. Oh, I can eat now. Forget breast milk, now I can eat yogurt, many things, yogurt, milk. So, but he was raising his hand, he can't, because they are in high. So Krishna was so clever. So he looked around, he saw in the corner that Udukhala, that Hemdasta was there. That bucket type of thing was there. So he pulled that and put it upside down, because in the top the bucket is the whole upside down, then the floor part, the flat is there, the flat plate is there. So he was sitting on that, standing on that, and now he can reach to the yogurt pot and bring the yogurt pot down, nicely sitting in Swastika Asanam. In Swastika Asana, sitting there on the mortar floor, and some bhog lagai, eat something, and then because you open the door, because in Braj, all the insects, all the animals, all the birds, everybody, they know who Krishna is. Everybody knows Krishna. And everybody want to have special darshan of Krishna. And they know that maybe Mangalarti will be little late, Krishna will come, sometimes the door will open, we can have darshan. And they don't know, unexpectedly The Lord himself opened the door. I am without, nobody is there to do arti. The Lord is opening the curtain, the door himself. And the monkeys were waiting on the branches of the tree and the courtyard. When they saw the door open, the curtain open, and Krishna himself there, Bala Krishna, is there, and they all come down. All the monkeys, they come down. Just like when we come to the temple, the door opens, curtain opens after council, immediately we become careful and offer our obeisance to the Lord. So all the monkeys, they are much more experienced, much more high quality devotee, high grade devotee than us. So they immediately come down, offer their obeisance, Dandavat Pranam to Bala Krishna. And sit down with, must be chanting some arti in their language, with folded hands, standing nicely, gently. So Krishna saw all of them. Oh, you are here? Okay, come. So Krishna thought that actually these monkeys are ex-armies. Actually, in Tretya Yuga, I have engaged them in my army, but I never paid them anything. Actually in every country, the Pratiraksha Vibhag, the army is very costly department, very costly, and no output, only input, no output, no income there, only expense, isn't it? I think in each country, more than 50% of their capital is spent only on the army, isn't it? To maintain them, and no income coming, more than 50%. But only in history we are seeing one army of Lord Ram, zero expense. Zero expense. Nothing was there. And he was not giving the uniform dress. No uniform. That soldiers, they are not wearing uniform. You say, how come no uniform? Because they are monkey. They cannot. No clothes, no tailoring, nothing. No uniform, no dress. Are Baba, no dress, okay. They must take, but there must be food, na? Food supply must be there, na? No food also, no cost for feeding, because they are all self-eating. They will take their food, collect their food selfly. Just release them to forest, they will go to the branch of the trees and they will collect there. They don't need any cooked food. That's all free. Are Baba, accommodation? If no dress, if no food, cost for food, at least you spend something for accommodation. No need of accommodation too. Nothing. Zero expense. Okay, no Baba, okay, no accommodation expense, no food expense, no cloth expense. Weapons should be there, na? Animation should be there. That also zero. Because they are not trained armies. They cannot use any kind of top, command or revolver, rifle, nothing. They can only attack with boulder and a tree's branch, and they can bite with their teeth. So they are like that. So no animation, zero weapons, everything, totally zero expense, that army. And they win over the supremely expensive army, very trained up army of Ravana, Trilokadhipati, and they win. And Lord Ram thought, I used them, I win over the battle, but I never paid them anything. I never paid. So at least they are now here, so I should give some bakshish to them. So now at least I can feed them some butter. Okay, come in line. So take some butter. And these monkeys, because they were all ex-army. Army people, they are very cultured. At least they are very civilized, force. They have to follow the, follow the courtesy, they follow the rules and regulations. They are very particular in following rules and regulations. Though the monkeys, we see in Vrindavan, the monkeys are very nutty. Very nutty. They are taking in the spake and whatnot. They are so nutty, wicked. But that monkeys, because they are not ordinary monkeys, they are all army officers, ex-army officers, retired army officers. So they are very cultured and very following very strict rules and regulations. They come in line, very gentle, come in line one by one and taking butter and sit down in a line perfectly. Even in your devotees, when you are feeding prasadam, they are very much sound and they are disturbed. But these monkeys are very silent and very following the rules and regulations, perfect line and sitting, taking, and they were eating butter. And Krishna is dadatam, and Krishna is very happy by distributing them and doing the food for monkeys, this butter for monkeys. He is distributing butter. and Krishna is busy in that business. Now Mother Jasoda, very curious and also in tension what he is doing there in the storehouse. So he went very quietly that Krishna should not know that I am coming. Very carefully she is going. So that's the thing. When she went and she saw that Krishna is sitting on the flat motor, Bhavasthitam, Markaya Kamang Dadatang Sichisthitam. Markaya, the market monkeys, she is distributing. What Krishna is doing by sitting in the motor? Distributing butters to the monkeys in a line. And which butter? Hyangabam. That butter and those who are, they have already churned day for yesterday like that. The Hyangabam. Chorja Vishankitakan. While he was distributing the butter to the monkeys, Mother Jasoda marked what Krishna is doing while distributing. He is very happy. But at the same time, because Krishna knows that he has done one crime by breaking the yogurt pot, and another crime, he is stealing the butter without permission, the mother, and distributing also. They are not for that. These butters should be used for some other purpose, but now he is distributing to the monkeys. So he is double fearful now, double crime. So because if you do some crime, anybody, if you do some apakarma, you will do some wrong thing, some crime, then definitely, naturally your heart started beating out of fear. So Krishna is also feeling same thing, out of fear, Visankita Khyana. Because he is Visankamana, he is really fearful. In fearful what? Maybe mother will come, or maybe somebody will see. So he is looking here and there, this side and that side. That is out of fear only, Visankita Khyanam. So mother saw that that Krishna is busy in distributing the butter to the monkeys, but at the same time he is fearing. And fearful way, he is looking here and there. So Jasoda went really behind that Krishna should not see him. So in this way, Hyangam Chorja Visankaman, because he is doing the stealing, Chorja Karya, he is doing the stealing, that's why he is fearful. Nirikhya Paschat Sutam Agachane. So by seeing the son busy in this way, his dear baby son, Paschat, behind, slowly come behind of her son, Agachane, behindly, hidingly following. And Mother Jasoda, upon seeing him, very cautiously approached him from behind approaching. So this is now the very sweet pastime. We know Krishna is the all-powerful Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now he is fearful, and Mother Jasoda is blaming Krishna that he is culprit, he is the pot broker. I will take some action against him. Arey Baba, how come? That same Krishna, at the time of Mahapralaya devastation, he used to grind the unlimited universes. What to speak of one pot? Unlimited universes, he will finish everything, grind everything to everything. And not even Mother Jasoda, what to speak, mother and father. Even Brahma, Shiva, Lokapal, they could not dare to blame him. He is the owner. It is his. He can break, he can keep, whatever he can do. Nobody can say anything to him. Nobody can file any court case against him. But here, just breaking a 2 rupees pot, Mother Jasoda is thinking he is a culprit. And Krishna himself thinking himself that I am also culprit because I have done wrong things. He himself is condemning himself. He is fearful. And he is running now, and the same Krishna, whose Shakti is all powerful, he can do anything, anytime. And it's not that his Shaktis are going away, now he is just a mere child. No, always, eternally, he is full powerful. All Aishwarya Shakti is there with him, always looking for the opportunity to manifest and do something. But what happened? Just like, for example, we don't know the Chandrakant Mani. Chandrakant Mani is so cooling effect more than the ice even. If you put Chandrakant Mani here and you put such a high powerful heating fire, that heat cannot give you hot because Chandrakant Mani is there. It will be useless. Similarly, the all-powerful Aishwarya Shakti was still there with Krishna, they are all become useless in front of the parental affection and love of Mother Jasoda and Nanda. This Shakti is useless because there is so much love and affection of Mother Jasoda. Nobody can imagine it. So that Shakti became useless. So, in front of Mother Jasoda and Nanda, how the Supreme Lord Krishna, the supremely powerful Krishna, how he become fearful and thinking himself as culprit, and how he is behaving, that is really so sweet pastime, so enchanting, captivating pastime, that Krishna is narrating, that whole Brahmand, everybody is becoming astonished. How come it happened? If Krishna became Sishu, he can play like that. He can do like that. Even Krishna himself and Mother Jasoda herself, they are becoming astonishing. Jasoda is laughing. My boy is very smart, very intelligent. How come he become very intelligent? Sometimes Jasoda used to ask, and you know that Dambandhan Lila will start when the monkeys they saw, they are very gentle, they are eating the butter, and they are facing towards Krishna, Krishna is facing towards monkeys. Monkeys saw somehow that Jasoda behind Krishna, then they all ran. All soldiers ran away. Krishna thought, Krishna do like that? What happened? Why they are running away? What happened? So Krishna looked behind, oh my God. Mother with stick in her hand, she is there. With so much fear, Krishna jumped out of that motor plane and started running. That is the Aarti we used to sing the whole month in Kartik. That same pastime. How he is running, jumping out of that motor plane and running, and Mother Jasoda is following behind him and catching, and finally she arrested him. So that very, very sweet pastime, that Damabandhana Lila, that Sukadeva Goswami is narrating. So this is these two verses are just approaching the introduction, that what will happen again. So in these two verses, Jasoda appeared in the spot and she saw that the yogurt pot is broken. Pot is broken. And Krishna is absent. And she immediately decided, because we two are there, none else were there. So who did these things? So now he is thinking, oh, I was not accepting any complaints against Krishna. Now he is in my own house. The case is here in front of me. Now I have to accept it. He is the culprit, he is doing like that. So I have to really discipline him, I have to take care of him. Similarly, she is also becoming very happy by seeing the intelligence and smartness of her baby son. And he is so smart. How he became angry and broke the pot and hid himself, that means he is very smart, very intelligent. By seeing the growing intelligence of Krishna, Jasoda becoming happy and started laughing. Jasoda did not know that all intelligence, whatever intelligence is there, the source of intelligence is that boy. All intelligence everywhere. He is the source of all intelligence. But Jasoda is because of out of so much motherly love, motherly affection, she forgot everything. She only know that his whole prana priya, his life and soul is that baby Krishna. Many, that some naughty boy, mothers they are experienced. Naughty boys, sometimes they will cry the whole night. Some nights the mothers they can't sleep the whole night. Whole night they will awake, not many nights, and they will not take seriously. They will not beat that boy. Why you make me awake of the whole night? No, they will take it very nicely because for their baby son only. Like that, Mother Jasoda must have done, because Krishna is superly nutty. Many things he will start crying and doing many nutty things. And Jasoda was tolerating Krishna, the nutty Krishna, like anything. She was ready to suffer any kind of disturbances, any kind of troubles. Many nights she may not sleep, but still she was full of so much love and affection for Krishna. But how she is going to beat Krishna, how she will going to punish Krishna, how she is going to bind Krishna, this is beyond imagination. This is only out of supreme love. Only out of love. So that Sukadeva Goswami says, this is only out of love. We cannot, even the Brahma, Shiva, all the demigods, how this happened, Baba? He is the same boss, he is our boss. How this gopi, even Balaram sometimes come. Balaram was absent in that Dambandhan Lila. When Balaram arrived, and other boys, all the friends, they arrived, at that time Nanda Baba already released Krishna, and they saw in the west, in the here, the Kamal, that the red spots are there. You know, this Krishna's body, even Jasoda knows that Krishna's body is so soft, more soft than the butter even. How Jasoda will keep punishment? More soft than the butter even. So when she put that rope around, because of that rope, that mark, red mark around the waist. When Balaram saw that red mark, he became outraged with angry. Who did like this to my Anuj, my Krishna? He became very angry, shouted like anything. They don't know who am I? I am lifting the whole universe, this, that. He want to show his ID, that I am so and so, I can do whatever I can do. I am Balaram, I am Ananta says. Who can do? I am the servant of this boy. I am here. Who can do like this? Then the other boy said, Mother Jasoda, oh, immediate cool down. Mummy did this? Okay, don't worry. So because neither Krishna's nor Balaram's any Aishwarya, any Shakti will work in front of the love and affection in front of Jasoda. So that super sweet, blissful pastime, this Dambandhan Lila. So we will start now. So this is the introduction. What now mother is thinking just behind, and Krishna is about to jump of the top of the motor and start running, and then the Damodara Ashtakam will start. Hare Krishna. Sri Damodar Bhagavan ki, Samvet Bhakta Vrinda ki, Jai Gaur Hari.